So this is the gate that needs to be repaired. You can see when I open the door here, if I pull on it, it shakes the whole thing. There's a concrete post right there at the seam, but somehow it doesn't seem to be holding it as it should, or something. And then from the inside, here's the inside of it. It's not really joined to the other fence, it's just simply butted up against it. But again, when I push it, it does this and it shouldn't. And no doubt this has come about because this open part gets swollen and we have to literally slam it to get it back in. Here a few days ago, it didn't appear to be going in at all, so I'm not sure what's going on, but we need to repair this. Thank you.